What's up, guys? I'm at the Longo Toyota dealership dropping off my car for service, and guess what just popped out? Check this out. 40th anniversary Toyota 4Runner. Let's take a look. Nice bronze wheels. You got the 40th anniversary stripes with the metallic black color, so you can see some of the black flakes. Some running boards, definitely got to replace those, but this stripe is beautiful. This is at the Longo Toyota ship in California, in El Monte. Beautiful, beautiful badge. I love the bronze emblems. It's a great finish. It's gotten the blackened exhaust. Interior looks pretty standard from up here. Can't really tell. Pretty much about the same, but beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this, checking it out in person. It is beautiful, man. The that bronze touch really adds to it.